In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through DaVinci Resolve to add titles to your video projects effectively. As any video editor knows, adding titles is a fundamental skill that can enhance the viewer's understanding and engagement with your content. So let's dive right in. To begin, we'll need to start by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful editing software used by both amateurs and professionals around the world. If you're not already familiar with it, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely. After opening DaVinci Resolve, take a moment to let it fully load, as this ensures all necessary components are ready to use. Once you're in, direct your attention to the timeline. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to find your way to the top menu where you will see various tabs. Click on the one that says Effects. This is home to a plethora of options that can elevate your video project through transitions, filters, and indeed titles. Selecting Effects brings up a collection of features available on the left side of your workspace. Here you will see an option labeled Titles. Go ahead and click on Titles. What you're looking at now is a series of pre-designed title templates. These templates are versatile. They can be customized to fit the theme or style of your video. Such capabilities are part of what makes DaVinci Resolve a favorite among editors. You can explore various styles like simple text overlays, rolling credits, and even animated text to give your video that professional touch. At this point, the choice is yours. Browse through these title options and feel free to experiment by dragging different styles directly onto your video timeline. Once on the timeline, you can double-click the title to edit the text and change font styles, sizes, and colors. This level of customization enables you to tailor your text visually to match the tone of your video. As we conclude the process, take a moment to preview your work. You can do this by playing the section of the timeline where your title appears. This is important as it allows you to see how the title looks in context, and you can make any final adjustments to ensure it blends seamlessly with the other elements of your project. To wrap up, adding titles using DaVinci Resolve is a straightforward yet crucial skill in video production. By following these steps, you can create titles that not only convey important information, but also keep your audience engaged. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles and customize them to create a unique finish to your videos. Thank you for taking the time to enhance your editing skills today, and happy editing!